Hey, it's Alex from RDP Arena. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly check your RDP server's storage drive performance. We'll be using a software called CrystalDiskMark and running the test on our USA GPU RDP, which has a high-performance Samsung 980 Pro NVMe SSD drive. If you don't have CrystalDiskMark installed on your RDP, don't worry. I've left the download link for the portable version in the description box below. Now, let's get started with the test. First, log in to your RDP and double-click on the CrystalDiskMark icon in the installation folder. If you're using a shared RDP, you might get a user account control pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just select No, as we don't need those permissions for this test. Now in the CrystalDiskMark window, select the drive you want to test. For us, it's the C drive. Make sure the test size is set to 1 GB and the test counts are set to 5. If you want a more thorough analysis, you can increase the test size and count. For now, we'll stick with the 1 GB test size and 5 test counts, as they are perfect for a quick analysis. Since our RDP has a NVMe SSD drive, we're going to select the NVMe SSD option from the settings menu. If yours has a regular SSD or a hard drive, the default settings will do just fine. To begin the test, click on the All button at the top left of the window. As you can see, our test has now begun and might take a few minutes to complete. While we're waiting, let me tell you what's happening. CrystalDiskMark is measuring the sequential and random read and write speeds of your drive. To save you some time, I've fast-forwarded the test. Here are the results. The numbers you really want to focus on are the read and write speeds in the first 2 rows. These show the sequential speeds, which are important for moving big files around. The lower 2 rows show the random speeds. These affect the performance of your everyday tasks. As you can see, our sequential read speeds are over 6,000 megabytes per second, and the write speeds are around 5,000 megabytes per second. That's some serious speed. Remember, the higher these numbers are, the better will be your RDP's performance. And there you have it. Using this simple method, you can get a good idea of your RDP's drive performance. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.